Hey,
What you doing on your computer?
what's a computer?
Hello there, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today we're going to be talking about reasons why you should buy the Mac Pro wheels. Now, for those of you living under a rock, you're probably wondering, what wheels are you talking about, Kiva? Silly child. Apple has made wheels for their brand new Mac Pro, which is their workstation computer. Now you're probably wondering, so what are these wheels for? Well, it's quite simple. You attach them to your Mac Pro. And for those of you that are curious, I'm going to tell you what this Mac Pro does. So you attach it to your Mac Pro. And this is what you can do with it to enhance your Pro experience. You can move it around, slide it under your desk, or you can set it across the room like a little child and pretend you're playing cars. Yes, a desktop. You can move it around the room. It sounds pretty cool, right? And the haters are probably gonna say, but you don't need to put your computer on wheels. It stays on the desk. Well, let me tell you something. You suck and Apple is cool, okay? And let's talk about pricing. $699 and taxes. Now, here's the catch to this deal. You get free shipping. Free shipping, my friends. Can we get applause for that? Free shipping. You don't have to pay shipping. But I forgot to mention, you have to pay tax. Did I mention tax? Yeah, $699 plus tax. Remember, taxes. Just remember that. So, in the box, you get 4 wheels, and you get an instruction manual. That's your $700 worth of money for wheels. And you're probably saying, I could get cheaper wheels on a different site and attach them to my Mac Pro. Well, guess what? You wanna know what makes it so unique? It's stainless steel and it has rubber. So go ahead and buy as many Mac Pro wheels as you need. And if you can't spend money, sell your kidney. You'll be happy you bought it.